Greetings. It's Tuesday, November 28th. Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Art Series 57. The artwork is done. And I'm on the path in a public park where I had picked up some dozens of these little paper things. I don't know, I haven't counted how many I actually pasted on the drawing, but there's one of them there. And I walked by here a few days ago, I saw quite a few still. There's another one. You can see it. There. Another one there. Let's see if there's any more. Maybe they've blown away in the wind. Oh, there's several right there. Two white, one blue. All right. I should have. There's one there. Videoed this when I picked them up, but I didn't have my camera with me. There's another one. There's another one there. All right, there you have it. Got a nice sun today. Whew.